Ladies and gentlemen, for the next 3 days, I challenge you to become the architect of your destiny by changing the way you talk to yourself. Most people sabotage their own success before the world even gets a chance to. They whisper doubts, they reinforce limitations, and they allow fear to dictate their inner conversation. But you, starting today, will break that cycle. For the next 3 days, every word you speak to yourself will be a command to your subconscious, a prophecy that will shape your future. You will wake up and say, I am powerful, I am unstoppable, my goals are already achieved and I am walking toward them with absolute certainty. You will stand in front of the mirror and declare, every obstacle is a stepping stone. I control my thoughts, I control my actions, I am the master of my fate. Throughout the day, when doubt creeps in, you will crush it with the power of your voice. I do not entertain fear. I do not negotiate with mediocrity. I am destined for greatness, and I act accordingly. 3 days. That's all. But in those 3 days, your mind will shift. Your energy will rise. You will feel a transformation within you. Why? Because the way you speak to yourself determines the way you think. The way you think determines the way you act, and the way you act determines the success you achieve. Some will say this is too simple. But the truth is the most powerful forces in the world are simple. A seed is small, yet it holds the power of an entire tree. A word is short, yet it holds the power of an entire life. Your mind is a fertile ground, and every word you speak to yourself is a seed. What you plant, you will harvest. If you plant doubt, hesitation, and weakness, you will reap failure and frustration. But if you plant confidence, certainty, and unshakable belief, you will reap success beyond measure. For the next 3 days, I challenge you to speak to yourself with definiteness of purpose, with absolute clarity about what you desire. No more vague wishes, no more scattered dreams, only precise, focused, and powerful declarations of what you are becoming. Most people drift through life without a clear sense of direction. They wake up every day reacting to circumstances instead of commanding them. Their inner dialogue is filled with uncertainty. I hope this works. Maybe I'll succeed. I wish I had more confidence. Hope is weak. Wishes are powerless. You must replace these uncertain words with a clear, definitive statement of purpose. Speak to yourself as if your success is already written in stone. Say, I know exactly what I want, and I will stop at nothing until I achieve it. The moment you make this shift in your self-talk, you take control of your mind and your destiny. The subconscious mind does not respond to weak, half-hearted commands. It responds to certainty.